Things that you need to know about excavators Part 2. In this video, we will talk about the uses of excavators. Excavators are used in a wide variety of construction and demolition projects, including digging foundations. Excavators are often used to dig foundations for buildings or other structures. Landscaping. Excavators can be used to shape the landscape, creating hills, valleys, or other features. Demolition. Excavators are used to demolish buildings and other structures, often with the help of attachments like hydraulic breakers. Mining. Large excavators are used in mining operations to remove large amounts of earth and rocks. Road construction. Excavators are used to dig trenches for pipelines and cables, as well as to grade and level road surfaces. In conclusion, excavators are an essential tool in the construction industry, allowing builders to move large amounts of earth quickly and efficiently. With a wide range of sizes and capabilities, there is an excavator for almost every job, from small landscaping projects to large-scale mining operations. If you're in the construction industry, an excavator is a machine that you can't afford to be without. Are you looking for excavators? Just visit interstateheavyequipment.com or call 469-370-7501.